here we go to turn it off. Let's see, it's still pulling. Let's see, almost good. Pulling an even better vacuum than it started with. So let's turn this part off. Unplug each end, and then we'll turn that off. Looks like that light bulb really got used. Okay, so it has fully leaked air back in. So let's have a look at the results. All right, let's see here. Unfortunately, what's all that stuff? I'm not sure what all that stuff is. Okay, looking at this. It's like it's being made dirtier or something. It's like it's being made, like part of it's working, but part of it isn't. I'm not really sure why, And I don't know what all that junk is, all that powder junk is. So I'm not sure what's happening there. And it's like little bits of it are being made maybe I've got another vacuum pump, so maybe, okay, that's so solid. I got another vacuum pump, so maybe I need to look at getting a, maybe I might need I think I'm going to look at getting a T for this connection here, and getting a T and using 2 vacuum pumps, so that, or one right after the other, so that this vacuum pump will go for 4 days and 8 minutes, and then I will turn on the other vacuum pump and let it pull a full vacuum, and then turn this off. Then turn this one off, and it'll go for 8 days and 16 minutes technically. All right. All right. I'll have to look at. I'll have to look into getting a T, but all right. Yeah, I'll just come back and see what happens next, folks.